Vibe coding is really easy. You can do a lot of things with vibe coding. Vibe coding is basically the professional way of saying using AI. And you also gonna have to excuse me because I am eating. It's like 3 in the morning here. I'm hungry. I'm eating corned beef hash sandwich. So now, moving forward. So vibe coding is really easy. I might turn this into a series. I really don't know yet. But the first thing you want to do is get you an AI agent. DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Levelbly, Base 44. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. Me personally, I was lucky and I got a Chromebook. And it comes with Google Gemini. And honestly, I think you guys should start off with Google Gemini first before you spend $1 million or $20 a month on a plan that you don't need when you could just have Google Gemini. Now, we're gonna learn the interface really quick. This is your profile. You can log out. I'm not really sure what this is. It's probably like a little tab. This is, I don't know. I've never used that ever. So I'll learn that later, or we can learn it in another video. But this is how you start a new chat. And this is your menu. This will hold all of your chats. And when you expand it, expand work. You get all your stuff. So boom. Now you can create image, create music, help me learn, write anything, boost my day. Now with these, this is the mode that you have it in. This you have to pay for, this you have to pay for. This you only get a limited number of uses. Everybody knows the talk to speech function. Everybody knows the plus where you add files. You can upload from your Google Drive, your photos. I don't know what Notebook LM is, but I hope I didn't click that shit. Okay. But this is where the magic happens, okay? This is where the magic happens. I don't even know about create music. I'm going to figure that out later. But let's just generate an image with AI. Now, I like Metroid Prime, or not Metroid Prime, but Samus in general. And Metroid. So, this is what we're going to do. We are going to completely make a fucking game today. Maybe not complete. And we're going to use the 3% rule. There's a game that I play. I don't play it as much, but it's a Bitcoin game, and I want to see if Gemini can actually copy this. So we're going to be doing a lot of stuff, and I'm going to be showing you a lot of features. But first things first, we're going to use Samus. Pick your style, create image. There we go. So we're gonna use old cartoon style because I like this. I like the old tune style. Generate me a image in this, be very specific style, as specific as you can rather, in this style, but I want Samus from the Metroid series to be my mascot or logo for my video game. Boom. I want this to be styled specifically. I don't know how to spell specific. Specifically, I want this to be styled specifically like the Samus. You may think this is stupid and redundant and long, but trust me, Gemini is not like these other AIs. You can actually train your Gemini, and you'll have your own complete style. Like, you'll never be able to copy my style of art that I create, website, whatever, because I have my own style and I've been training my AI for way longer. Like Samus from Super Metroid on the Super Famicom computer system. Okay, now we about to let it cook. It's on fast mode, so it's gonna do it fast. Hopefully I can get a fucking bite out of my sandwich before this cooks something up. And you always want to eat while you vibe code or have something to do, because you will be waiting a lot. And make sure you don't type in Gemini too fast, because it'll tell you that you typing too fast. So look at what they give you. Perfect. So for intensive purposes and for copyright purposes, I just will have it create its own branding, because I don't want to use any of my branding or any of my shit. This is literally for educational purposes. Cool. Astro Buster is kinda the direction I was going anyway. So like I said, we gon' copy this clone. So we gonna copy this. I'm gonna show y'all an intensive fucking way to code. Okay, just wait. You gotta put your ducks in a row. You gotta have everything lined out and planned. You know what I'm saying? Because you gonna be creating you can create an infinite amount of content around one video game that you are creating. You can just go through the whole development process and you'll never have a day that you don't have content. But I need you to fix her arms. They look like noodles. So while that's working, I'm actually gonna get everything set up so I can just hurry up and copy this over. Cool, cool, cool. We're gonna leave it like that. So now you download it to your computer. Boom. Now you have that asset in your computer. So if you want to play the game for yourself, it's pretty cool, I guess. It's straight. I'm gonna look at this game a little bit more. I'm gonna look into making this app a little bit more. But right now, I just want to clone this the best way I can. My phone, my iPhone is messed up, so we're gonna show you the game. I'm probably gonna have to watch an ad and stuff, but it is what it is at this point. You know what I'm saying? Like, this game got me through a lot of rough times when I didn't have money, so I'll watch an ad to pay them. Yeah, ad one of two. If you guys want a deeper educational video, you know what I'm saying, just like, subscribe, and comment. They'll be coming. Alright, almost done, you guys. Now, I'm going to steal all the features of the game. And this is going to be funny. Because this is how crazy fucking AI is. This is how crazy AI is, bro. So now you take a screenshot. You email it to yourself. Okay? You email it to yourself. Are you fucking serious? I don't even have the other profile on here. Okay, whatever. I got hella emails, so just let me use this one. It don't really matter who, like, where you email it from. You know what I'm saying? The pixels logic at gmail.com. Now you attach the image. God damn it. And now you attach the image. It's only going to take like 5 seconds. Right now, I'm just moving slow to make sure I do everything right. Boom. That's sent. Now that we have that sent, we're going to wait a couple seconds. Now we hop into our Gmail. Yes, life of a dev. Very, very chill. You just gotta make sales. Okay. Don't mind me. I like to try to stay as neat as possible. Like, I'd like to try to keep my email as neat as possible. So, delete. I'll go fuck with the other ones, the promotions and all that other stuff later. You gotta get to the fun part. Jeez Louise, I was about to say. Excuse me, guys. That was rude. So, boom. Yeah, downloads it. Did it download? That's one problem with Chromebooks. Um, they are very powerful and you can get a lot of done with them. They are just slow when you got a lot of shit running. Like, I don't even know if this shit downloaded. And I haven't cut this bitch off in like 3 days. Like, I need to restart my computer. Like, all these tabs I got running, then I got all these other tabs up. So, yeah. Okay, it probably download. Let's check. But I'm not Xing out of none of these tabs. This bitch just gonna have to run slow and get restarted later. Yeah, I fucking downloaded it like 20 times probably. Great. Great, 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 great. Whatever, it said downloaded. I'm exiting out of this because I got all these tabs running and fucking. This shit just gonna make my computer run slow as balls. Like everything is freezing right now. Jeez Louise, bro. Yeah, this shit's super frozen. I'm legit just fucking. I'm stressed out now. Thank you. Now this shit is gonna run at a decent pace. Like, I got a lot of shit on my computer. That's why I need to clean it out. Fuck. No, don't tell me Gemini not responding. I mean, whatever. I could just go back to the chat. I just don't feel like it. Let me refresh this bitch, obviously. Okay, there we go. Ask Gemini. Bam. It's just loading. Alrighty. Cool, cool, cool. Add files. Upload. Yeah, y'all seen a little. I'm glad I didn't name none of my shit, so y'all couldn't fucking see my shit. Done, bro. Like, jeez Louise. Oh my fucking god. Okay. Can you describe what kind of game this is to me? Now, generally, you would read all of that, but I'm trying to keep the video short. Normally, I read everything, but I'm just gonna go with the flow since I know what the fuck I'm doing. I've been doing this for so fucking long, so just come back to the video if you need help in the future. Okay, cool. Can you copy this and generate me a similar image with my new mascot and branding? Like, the video about to be over very, very soon. I'm about to just fucking show you how to do it. I show you a lot of other stuff later, but that's for another video. Right now, we just showing you. Cool. Perfect. 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 Okay. Cool. Now, give it color and give it color so the player knows what blocks to match. Give everything color so it is more vibrant. You have to do this. I know it's tedious, but you have to do this because your first project, you just want to learn how to do it the right way. You know what I'm saying? Before you start taking shortcuts. Train your AI, build your AI, save your conversations, and pin the most important ones. Okay. Astro Buster. Now make the mascot. I guess, I'm not gonna say purple because the other fucking lady's purple. Make the mascot what color? We just gonna. The other mascot on the other game is blue and purple. we're just gonna say green and white. And this, I'm gonna just keep it simple. I don't want to put too much effort into it, because then I'm gonna end up making this video long as fuck, and then I'm gonna have to make the mascot green and white. Just the mascot, not the blocks. Give the block. This is why you have to be specific. They're red, yellow, green, and blue color ways back. Everything else I'ma edit in the game, because it's gonna be easier. La da di da, la di da di da. Whatever. I don't even care right now. This is why you would have to put it in like a different fucking thing, like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Base 44, so you could get all the little details cleaned up and stuff. But other than that, just start off with Google Gemini. Now, we go back here to this tools. We have this. Let's download it for later. So you always keep the stuff that you like and delete the stuff that you don't. Now we go to canvas mode. Now, generate me this game based on our conversation. I want it to be click to play or touch screen on mobile. I'm giving y'all the basics on how to make a game. Like, this is how you make a game. I'm gonna give you the front end. And this is the front end on how to make a game, bro. This is the front end. The back end, I'm gonna say that for a later video. So now, this is the code, blah, blah, blah. You don't have to do any real coding right now, but you do want to do a lot of setting up your terminal and all types of other shit on your Chromebook. But, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to keep repeating my fucking self. Boom. So it couldn't do everything. So you see how the game froze? See how the game froze? Okay, you see how you got that sad face? Okay. What? Okay, so let me move this up here. Move this up here. And now swap gen, da 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 da. When I swap gems, it says complete. Something that says complete. Then game crashes. Generate. This is the front end and the back end. Make sure you always say this. Make sure you always say this. Generate. Make sure you always say. First you make your game. Then you do, this is the front end shit I'm telling you. This is gonna save your ass every single fucking time. Okay? Then the game crashes. Generate me a tap or click to start screen, and when stage is complete, randomly generate new level, making this game seem endless when player reaches level 999. Restart them at level 1, and when they run out of moves, give them a game over screen and generate a loop. Make sure you say generate a start screen, generate a game over screen, and say generate a loop. That will save your fucking ass. Your screen will not crash like that no fucking more. But you have to be very, very specific. But basically, you have a game now. You have a game now. And now, I'm about to show you some crazy shit. That's Google Messages? I'm tripping. Now I'm about to show you some crazy shit. Okay, we got that up. Where is it? So we're gonna do save as index 5. I don't know. I'm just giving them random numbers now. Index 5. Now we go here. Recent. Index files. Okay, now I can delete that. And let's just go through our game real quick. Let's find this. Boom. Okay, let's just... two purples, I guess. I guess that's two purples. Okay, that's gonna bother me. Increase difficulty as level progress. Think of your own way to stump players and make it more engaging. And make it more engaging and what? immersive. I'm probably gonna end up launching this game because I just made it so easily and stuff. I'm probably gonna end up just making this fucking game. Whatever. But now you have your game, okay? And you bring up your text box. You bring up this, to bring up your notepad, your text box, or whatever. But make sure you can have it like this, okay? This is why I say get a Chromebook, because it's literally made to do this, okay? It's literally made to be a coding fucking machine and a coding monster. I don't care. You get the big fancy laptops and whatnot. It's not fucking with the Chromebook, bro. I paid $170 for this, and now I have $1 billion marketing. I have $1 billion tool. Like, this and a computer is all you need, bro. And an internet connection. A phone and a laptop, specifically a Chromebook, is all you fucking need, bro. Because I don't know what to call this and any other thing, but it's a text thing. So now, boom, you delete all of this. Really, just fucking Control A, bro. Control A, delete. Now, save as. Now you remember, you see how I say that as index5.html? Now we're going to go back and save it as regular index.html, okay? Fuck. I'm probably deleting a lot of shit. Matter of fact, cancel. I don't want to fucking delete that shit. So my files. Index. Bitch. Index. Why does it not? I put it on grade mode. There we go. Rename. Now we're gonna add this to 6. We're gonna add that to 6, and scroll this down to the proper folder. Add this to my index folder. Fucking damn it, bro. Alright, no, just go to my files. Bro, why can't I fucking move this? Okay, I gotta go to downloads maybe? Index 6. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. There we go. I don't know, brain fart, I guess. Now, the fun part. This is a way to preview your website and your code without having to pay anybody. So Control A, Control C to copy. You go here. We already Well, we didn't already save it, so now we gonna boom, paste it in here, save as. Remember, you just want it to say index.html. Boom, right? Now we go over here. We just minus out of that. Minus out of that. Let Gemini load up. No, this is fucking Google Workspace. Or Gmail, rather. Okay, boom. So now we go here, we go to preview. So you don't fuck up the code. Remember, go back to your shit so you don't type anything and fuck up your code. Boom, you just open this. Recent. Double click. And now you have a website and a video game. And it works. So yeah, that is basically all you need to become a dev. That's all you need, man. If you liked what I showed you guys, like, subscribe, comment, and yeah. Hope this really helped you out. So yeah, I guess I'm not gonna finish the stage. I gotta go back to coding my other stuff. I just wanted to make a YouTube video teaching you guys a little bit, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope I gave you guys some value, and more videos to come soon. All right, peace.